Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. LM guide and rack that installed in machine should be checked and cleaned regularly. The LM guide can be maintained by injecting grease automatically or manually, but racks should be maintained by cleaning and applying grease directly. In this time, I will explain how to clean and apply grease on LM guide and rack. To clean, prepare cleaning cloth, WD-40, Molykote and 2 brushes before start. Because LM guide and rack has been assembled with drive parts, it is recommended to clean 2 times back and front rather than clean it once. Move drive parts back and push bellows to separate after unscrew 2 bolts. Now clean LM guide and rack with cloth after spray WD-40. In case of rack, use brush to remove dust or chip from teeth. For LM guide, during spray WD-40 and clean with cloth. Check balls fallout or damage in LM block. Apply purchased Molykote on rack using brush. You should prepare another brush for cleaning separately. In X-axis, apply grease left and right in the same way. After finish, move drive parts forward and apply both sides as same as before. To start right side first in Y-axis, move drive parts on the left and unscrew bolts in end of bellows and push to apply grease. Clean LM guide and rack in Y-axis in the same way as X-axis. After finish right side, move drive parts on the right to clean other side of Y-axis. Now can you work it by yourself? If you need any more videos or questions while using our machine, please leave the comments below. I'll review and apply it to the video if possible. Thank you.